Hi guys, welcome to the Blue Store's first how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to name devices. This is very useful if you want to see at a glance what's installed in the system, or maybe you've got charge controllers that are facing east and west. Makes it easier to monitor and see what your devices are doing, because you'll see it here as well. The first thing to do is go to Remote Console, and then go Settings, Devices. So you've got all your devices here. You can just select which one you want to name. Scroll down to Device. In Name, you can now name the device. These are US3000s, and we've got 4 of them installed. Makes it nice and clear there. Charge controllers, same thing, just go down to Device, MPPT, just name your device here, and then I like to put the amount of panels that we have installed and the direction they are facing. Back to devices, you can just name the other one as well, down to device. Now the batteries are labeled, our charge controllers. The system has a little temperature sense. It's already called ambient because that's just ambient temperature. You could label anything really. If you've got a generator fuel tank sensor, if you've got a PV inverter on a grid meter, it's very useful naming your devices there. If we then go back, we would see the charge controller labels here. It's important with charge controllers, if you have a 450-100 or 450-200, you can actually label each MPPT of that charge controller separately, but you have to use VictronConnect for that. And we'll handle that on a different video. And at a glance, device list, there you're able to see your devices very clearly. Quite a nice feature, I believe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.